Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Steno Dictation Hub. This is dictation of exercise 13 of progressive October 2022. हम इस एक्सरसाइज को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि 840 वर्ड्स हैं, तो पहले 13A में आपको 400 वर्ड्स होंगे और 13B में जो है बाकी वर्ड 440 वर्ड्स होंगे. गेट रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन. 5 4 3 2 1 स्टार्ट. I welcome you all to this very important meeting of the National Commission on Population. Stop. At the outset, I must thank each one of you for accepting our invitation to be members of this very important commission. Stop. We have an important national task to address, and I urge everyone to pay the highest attention to the issues at hand. Stop. One of the key challenges facing India today is stabilizing our population. Stop. A population which stood at 36 crores in 1951 is now around 120 crores. Stop. Current trends indicate that it is expected to touch 140 crores by 2026. Stop. By all estimates, we will end up as the world's most populated country in the next few decades. Stop. While we all can agree that human resource is an invaluable asset in economic and social development, there are limits to the population that our environment can sustain in the long run, particularly in view of our desire to achieve higher standards of living. Stop. Therefore, sustainability of development process requires a degree of population stabilization. Stop. Para. However, we must not mistake population stabilization to be population control. Stop. There is widespread consensus that population stabilization entails a holistic, comprehensive approach towards education and health care, particularly of our women and children. Stop. Investment in comprehensive health care, coupled with a wider development policy addressing the educational and economic needs of our population, together with raising the social status of our women, must be the key to any population stabilization strategy. Stop. Improvement in health indicators must be understood to be interlinked with indicators for literacy, water supply, sanitation, nutrition, housing and incomes. Stop. In this context, I believe that unless our population is integrated with our wider development policy, it can never achieve the objective of population stabilization within a reasonable time frame. Stop. I draw your attention to the experience of states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. Stop. The link between social and human development and demographic trends is obvious and too stark to ignore. Stop. I urge all political parties, social activists and policy makers in states with high population growth to study and learn from the experience of these states. Stop. This meeting offers us a unique opportunity to learn from these states which have served as an example, improving their demographic status through a multi-pronged approach. Stop. This approach has to be followed for achieving our goal set future. Stop. So 400 words थे ये.